Reno from Maryland Hall's ArtReach and Jóvenes Artistas. We're back again for another ArtReach challenge of the week. This week we're doing another Patrick Dougherty Nature Series. We are now in 2021, which is the year that Maryland Hall will be bringing the renowned artist Patrick Dougherty to our campus to do an amazing installation with the community. A little fact about Patrick Dougherty: Sam Dougherty, Patrick's son, has been Patrick's full-time construction assistant since June 2016 and has developed into an expert stick worker. His signature can be found on every sculpture, especially in the rolled top edges. This week we're inspired by Patrick's amazing nature work and we'll be creating a stick mobile. I looked around my house and I had some shells and sea glass lying around, so I decided to use that to create my mobile. If you don't have these things, you can use sticks, you can use stones, you can use flowers, you can use really anything that you find outside. It's actually pretty cool just to use found wood. All you need are these found objects as well as string or twine and a pair of scissors and a little bit of patience. I did finish mine over the course of about 20 minutes. And I got the hang of it after tying a number of knots, but I have to tell you, I filmed the entire thing and turns out my phone shut off and didn't record any of it. So I'm gonna see if I can pull together enough energy to create a new one for you, and I'll film it. Hopefully you guys found some inspiration and you created an awesome stick mobile that you can hang up on your wall. Don't forget to share your work with those around you, because we know that the more we share, the more that art has the power to heal, inspire, and empower. Until next time, stay safe, stay healthy, and stay creative.